ng adobong manok ah. Kahit pala gonggong masarap magluto. Ayos. Pwede na. Kumain. Sarap ng adobong manok ah. Kahit pala gonggong masarap magluto. Ayos. Pwede na. Sarap pag bagong kain talaga.
Pochuka,
Oh.
are you there?
Yes, Bob. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm just a little bit upset. My chicken pet is gone.
What?
The last time I saw Pepper, it was in your backyard this
I'm
morning.
sorry, what? Your pet chicken. It was on my backyard. That's what you said?
Yes, it was. It was eating chicken feeds. I don't know who gave it.
Okay. I will ask Bogan about it.
Please and thank you.
Okay, we'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
talk to you later.
See you. Visit ka, Bogan. Mukhang yung inadobong manok. Si Bob yun eh. Manok ni Bob yun. Ang sabi ko, bumili ka ng manok. Hindi ka magkatay ng manok ng kapitbahay. Buiset!
Gago!